The NiagaraMO is a very compact unit. It's very flexible and has got a low footprint. You can move the machine easily since it's equipped with forklift pockets. The system can be equipped with roller conveyors in front, so that means we bring it into an existing line according to your requirements. You can easily handle the machine by operating the HMI. BvL takes care that it's easy to understand to set the different values for different recipes. The system is designed to clean bulk parts, means you have a lot of loose parts in a basket and bring it in. And on the other side, you have single parts, means complex geometries, cylinder heads, cylinder blocks. You can equip the machine with different options. There are different ways of drying and washing the parts. Either you rotate 360 or you swivel from the left to the right. For the drying process, you can combine different process steps. You can go ahead with the circulated air drying. You can add vacuum drying, and you can add infrared drying. That means you've got a compact toolbox. So overall, this machine is a perfect machine for high cleanliness demands on a small footprint.